Okay, next we're going to go over the uterus, the cervix, and the vagina. So there are three main types of uteruses: the duplex, the simplex, and the bicarnate. You can tell that the bovine is a bicarnate because of the moderately or slightly developed uterine horns. And then next we're going to talk about the broad ligament again, is what holds up the uterus outwards, the cervix and the vagina. The one that holds up the uterus is known as the mesometrium. Next we're going to look at the uterine artery and then the uterine veins. And now we'll go into the layers and parts of the uterus. So the first layer is the endometrium, and it's this layer in here. In this layer there are uterine glands and carnuncles. Carnuncles are these spots here, and this is the site for placenta attachment of the embryo. The main functions of the endometrium promotes the passage of semen, produces histotrope, which is also known as uterine milk, and it helps supply nutrients and eliminates waste, and it helps use contractions to expel the fetus. The next layer is the myometrium, and this consists of the inner circular and outer longitudinal muscles, and this layer is responsible for uterine contractions. These contractions aid in sperm transfer and expulsion of the fetus, and they are promoted by oxytocin. And next we'll look, and this is the uterine body after the horns. And next we'll look into the cervix. There are four main types of cervix. There's the transversinal fold, which is what we have in the bovine. There's spiral arrangement, longitudinal folds, and then single ring. The main functions of the cervix is to secrete mucus-like secretions. There are two different types. There's a thin-like mucus from estrogen that allows semen passage, and there's a thick mucus from progestogen, which creates a seal for the uterus to prevent bacteria and other pathogens. And then finally, we have the vagina. And there's two main parts of the vagina. It's the vestibule and the vulva. And there's two main functions of the vagina: the point where the urinary and the reproductive tracts meet, and then it is the copulatory organ for the female, and it's for semen receptification during natural mating.